Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about one hair issue which is so common these days, and that is hair fall issue. Now this issue is faced by both men and women these days, and there are a lot of factors which really affect the health of your hair. Like stress, it is like a major factor which really affect the health of your hair, and also poor nutrition, and if you're going out in environmental pollutant, these are the factors which really affect the health of your hair. And because of these factors you really face hair loss problem, and आपका hair बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाएगा, damage लगेगा, frizzy लगेगा, and also बिल्कुल lifeless लगेगा. So finally, can I say this? Yeah guys, finally I found a product which can literally help in hair growth and can improve the texture of your hair. I am talking about hair vitalizer serum from the brand Saturn by GHC. This is how the bottle looks like, and I am so happy. I was doing a lot of research on this particular issue and finally मेरे को ये product दिखा which can literally help. So मैंने इसको ट्राई करना स्टार्ट किया अपने रेगुलर रूटीन में, इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट किया अपने रेगुलर रूटीन में, एंड मेरे को रिजल्ट्स दिखे गाइस. या बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है इसको यूज़ करना. आई टेल यू अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट नाउ. दिस इज सो सिंपल एंड क्लीन पैकेजिंग, एंड ऑल्सो द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस पैकेजिंग इज दिस, इन्होंने परसेंटेज मेंशन किया इंग्रेडिएंट्स का. जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन्होंने यूज़ किए उसका परसेंटेज इज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड ऑन द बॉटल. सो दैट इज सच एन अमेजिंग थिंग. ऑल्सो गाइस इट कम्स विद दिस स्प्रे पैकेजिंग. सो इसमें बेसिकली एक कैप आता है. दिस इज हाउ द कैप लुक्स लाइक. इसको आपको रिमूव करना होता है, एंड दिस इज द स्प्रे पैकेजिंग. या सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली है क्योंकि इसमें ऐसे कैप भी दिया है, तो इट विल नॉट स्पिल एनीवेयर. सो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली सिंपल और क्लीन पैकेजिंग लगा मेरे को ये. आई रियली लव्ड द पैकेजिंग. ऑल्सो दिस इज FDA अप्रूव्ड फॉर्मुलेशन एंड अल्कोहल फ्री. एंड नाउ गाइस टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, इट हैज़ 3% रेडेंसिल, 3% प्रोकैपिल, बायोटिन एंड हिबिस्कस एक्सट्रैक्ट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे और प्रॉमिसिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स है गाइस. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इंग्रेडिएंट रेडेंसिल. नाउ दिस इंग्रेडिएंट इज सो गुड गाइस, एंड बाय लुकिंग एट दिस इंग्रेडिएंट आई वाज लाइक सो fascinated to try this product and see if it actually works. And guys, it did. It worked so beautifully. And also I was doing some research कि कौन सा product choose करना चाहिए for hair fall issue, क्योंकि ये issue बहुत ज़्यादा common है आजकल, especially in India बहुत ज़्यादा common है. And I was looking for some product which can actually work in hair issue problem. So that's when I checked out this product, and by looking at this ingredient, as I mentioned, I was so fascinated to try this product. Guys, this Redensil 3% stimulates hair growth, improves hair quality, and also guys, it normalizes the secretion of sebum. Not only this serum for hair stimulates capillaries and thus helping to improve the blood supply to the scalp. This accelerates the renewal of cells and strengthens hair roots so that they are not pulled out easily. Also guys, this hair serum has Procapil 3%, which is such an effective natural ingredient which contains a DHT inhibitor. Now guys, this hair serum can reduce the amount of hair loss from daily grooming and styling, which is important because each time you shampoo your hair, you are washing away essential nutrients and oils that keep your scalp and hair healthy. And now guys, talking about biotin. Biotin targets hair follicles to improve hair growth while controlling hair fall. Also guys, many individuals like to take biotin supplements to protect their hair, to improve their hair quality and texture of their hair. But biotin in Vitaliser is one of the best treatments for hair fall, which helps strengthen and regrow hair, leaving it healthier looking than ever before. And now talking about hibiscus extract, which is present in this hair vitalizer from the brand Saturn by GHC. Now this is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that help to repair and restore hair follicle. It also protects against bacteria which can cause scalp infections. And now we're talking about how to use this hair vitalizer from the brand Saturn by GHC. It's very easy to use. You just need to spray hair vitalizer serum 4 to 5 times on your scalp. Apply it on the scalp thoroughly and massage it for increased absorption. And you can leave it overnight for the best results. Also guys, Saturn by GHC product products are dermatologically tested and are safe for all skin and hair types. Therefore, it shouldn't lead to any side effects. However, if you're suffering from any scalp condition, or maybe if you're allergic to any of the ingredients present in this bottle, then you can avoid using it, or maybe you can consult with your doctor once. Also, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding are advised not to use this drug. And guys, I'll mention this product link in the description box below. Definitely check it out. And guys, you need to use this product consistently for 3 months for the best results. Also, there is a phone number to get free consultation by a health coach. You can also go to the website which is mentioned in the description box below and get a free online assessment and get right product for you. Also, there is a coupon code which gives you discount on your repeat purchase. You will get up to 30% off when you buy from the link in the description box. The best part about Saturn by GHC is that you get to consult health coaches for absolutely free with no hidden charges, and you can get your very own personalized health and fitness diet plan and exercise regime. I would highly recommend you guys to try out this product because it is definitely going to change your hair game. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.